Teams can now override a secret's validity status when they're able to verify that credential themselves. GitGuardian will automatically attempt to validate the majority of credential types the platform detects. But some secrets belong to internal services, private APIs, or systems GitGuardian simply can't reach. Previously, those secrets would remain marked as cannot check or failed to check, even when your team already knew for certain if the credential was active and usable. With the new API endpoint, you can run that validation process on your own and send the results back to GitGuardian as either valid or invalid. GitGuardian then uses that status everywhere validity matters, including filtering, severity, prioritization, and remediation workflows. That means better context, fewer unknowns, and a clear remediation queue. Right now, this feature is only available via the GitGuardian API and requires a user to have a personal access token with the secrets write and incident read scopes. Here, I'm running the script to assist me and to help explain each step, but this can be done as individual API calls or incorporated into your own scripting. The first step is finding the secret ID, which can be found by looking up the associated incident by ID. The incident ID is found in your GitGuardian workspace. For example, in this incident, the validity is showing failed to check, and the incident number is listed both in the URL itself and on the first line of the incident view. Making a GET call to the incident's secrets endpoint and specifying the incident ID returns all the fields from the incident. Once we know the secret ID, we can make a new call to the secret's validity endpoint to post with our desired validity of either valid, invalid, and that's all it takes. If you have previously manually set validity, the field Validity-Override will be whatever you set it to. You can clear out your own overrides with the delete call to the secret's validity endpoint, which reverts back to GitGuardian's original status. In this case, failed to check. At scale, knowing what is actually exploitable helps your team focus on the credentials that need attention first. It's just one more way. GitGuardian, the credential layer security platform, is helping teams remediate secret sprawl at scale.